Hello guys, I am back with another video. And I'm at a party, like I'm out of here, it's boring. No, it's not boring, it's a party. I'm so sorry I haven't done a video in so long, I'm so sorry. So I brought this party to you. Isn't it epic? Okay, she left. And first of all, my name is not Luna. My name's not Luna, because that's my bird's name. But since I haven't done this in so long, I will, I'm gonna show my bird's face. At the end of the video. I am looking at this art, and I decided of a winner. The winner is Tickety Top. I know you didn't know I was gonna do this. You didn't really know it. I didn't say so, but I did it. And I don't care. LOL. But yeah, we're gonna party at my den. Party at my den. Turn everything on. This guy. Okay. This on. Go up here. You have the elevator thing, the phantom elevator. Little phantom door. TV. Oh, listening by the blood of the sea, SpongeBob SquarePants. It's not really SpongeBob, but kind of looks like it. So yeah, we turn the pet TV on. Let's get some cotton candy. Jelly Jones is my favorite. First of all, so I am getting blue. Blue. Not purple and blue. Hey, my favorite color is purple. Jelly Jones, I guess her favorite color is blue? Well, yes, mostly Jelly Jones. Because I love Jelly Jones. You know me. Let's turn on the pet house thing I have. Turn on a lamp. Don't have enough. Oh, yeah, that was another time. I have 300. But why don't we decorate this fox mannequin thing? Let's put her in purple and, what am I doing now? Maybe a little bit of orange and some black. Yeah, that's cool. Winter mohawk. Peacock feathers. Oh yeah. These. How about peacock? It looks crazy. I like crazy. Oh gosh, I'm sorry about that. How about a bow and arrow? Yeah, we're ready to party. Party in the elevator. I love FGTV. If you haven't seen him, just look up FGTV. That guy is really funny. So I guess, well, this video is kind of short. Shorter than I really imagine it to be, but why don't we just dance a little before I show my bird's face. And by the way, I'm getting a little sick. So yeah, I'm getting sick. Yeah, I'm looking at my bird right now. By the way, she's a little parakeet. She's not one of those macaws. But, this took me a lot to make a video and to make a bunch of storage. So I guess you've been waiting. So I'll get the fireworks out. Okay, so I put out all the fireworks. So now the countdown. 5, 4. Just a minute, folks. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fireworks, star, paw, wolf. Why isn't it going off? There we go. Wolf. Bunny. Star. Okay. So, what you've been waiting for. Just a minute. I'm gonna take her over here. So, yeah, this is Luna right here. That is Luna. Hello, Bertie. Hello. But yes, people, thank you for watching this. Remember, I'm just so new. And I really would like you to give me a like or something like that. Every like helps me like so much. And what is this? Love your life. Animal Jam rocks. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'll be back with another one very soon, I hope. But yes, thank you so much for watching.